Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing everything you care about. Backup documents, photos, and browser settings to an external drive or cloud. Once done, gather license keys and verify account passwords so you can sign back in later. Make a recovery USB if your system recommends it. Use an 8 GB or larger drive. With power connected and internet checked, open Settings and navigate to the Recovery section. Now choose the Reset option to start the factory reset process. You now decide how thorough the reset should be. Pick Keep My Files to preserve user data, or Remove Everything for a clean slate. Choose based on whether you're troubleshooting or selling the PC. Next, select Cloud Download for a fresh image or local reinstall to use your existing files. Cloud will use bandwidth but can fix corrupted files. Make sure to include other drives and disable encryption, if necessary, so the reset clears everything you intend to remove. You confirm the choices and begin the reset. Expect a wait of roughly 20 to 90 minutes depending on hardware and options. Once the system restarts, sign in, reinstall drivers, run Windows Update, and restore your backed up files. Make sure everything works and check Device Manager for missing drivers. If the reset fails or the system won't boot, use the recovery USB you made or boot into safe mode to run diagnostics and retry the reinstall. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.